Hey y'all, it's Tati here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, my name is Tati, and if you like what you see, you should consider subscribing. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my dorm, so I will be giving y'all a dorm tour. Of course, this is long overdue, but I've just been busy with school, okay? So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so this is my door. We got these letters from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so starting up here, these are the same canvases and, you know, like wall pieces from my last dorm. I got all of these from Hobby Lobby. You can catch these on sale pretty much all the time. I think every other week they have their pictures and stuff like that 50% off. If you want to see how I use these same wall pieces in my last dorm, I will link the video in the iCards right now. So just below this is just like where I keep my trash can and my ladder and stuff, because the door closes and it hides it, so when the door opens it just hides it and it's just out of the way. So right here I have this weekly like calendar thing, since I don't have the full calendar this year. My mom just got me this. It's from TJ Maxx. Up here I keep my expo markers and like rags and stuff so I can clean my whiteboard. Here is just an Airwick air freshener. Of course, my Roku TV, and then my desk. My desk is pretty much just like last year, except that I had to put my makeup under here and my mirror. So a lot of times everything is just pushed back like this so I can use my laptop or whatever. My printer, I keep like my folders and stuff so I can keep up with my papers, and also extra notebook paper and whatnot. To get a better look at how the makeup is set up, I just have my case and a lot of my palettes on top and my jewelry. This elephant right here is from Hobby Lobby as well. The lamp is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Next, this stool is from my last dorm as well. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was kind of expensive. I think Hobby Lobby sells the same stool, smaller, for a cheaper price. So I would suggest get it from there. This stool is kind of like wobbly and I've only had it for over a year or so. I just keep my book sack here. Okay, so in between here, in between my, you know, my desk and my bed, I just keep, this is where I keep my outlet thingy. I don't know what it's called, I can't remember, but I keep a lamp on there for nighttime, because like, even though it's not really dark in here, I still like to have a lamp or whatever. I had it from last year, so I just still use it. I keep my ring light here. It's not pretty right here. I mean, it's just a whole bunch of cords and whatnot. I also keep my Apple Watch so I can charge it and everything like that. Okay, so next we could just go on up to the wall. This is new. This tapestry is actually from Amazon. I think it was about $20. I will leave the exact one that I got in the description box. These pictures are not Polaroid pictures from a Polaroid camera or whatever. I actually printed them from an app. Let's get a close-up. So yeah, I actually printed these from an app on my phone, and then they just, you know, I just shipped them to myself or whatever. They're very inexpensive. I think you can get 50 of them for maybe $20. I don't know. I honestly can't remember. Don't hold me to it, but I will link that app in the description box as well. I have them hanging by mini, what are those things called? Mini clips. I can't really remember the exact name right now, but I got those from Hobby Lobby as well. They came in a pack. 20 came in a pack, and they're also on string lights. These same lights were from my dorm last year. They were just all around the entire perimeter of the room at the very top of the ceiling, but this time I just put it around the tapestry. I will turn the lights on in a minute so you can see how it looks. Next is my bed. My favorite part. So if you can't tell, I tried to go for a boho theme. These blankets are from last year as well. They are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think they're about $20 each. This comforter is from Bed Bath & Beyond, as long with the sheet. It came with the sheets and, you know, the pillowcase. You know, it came in a set. It was very inexpensive. I want to say it was about I honestly can't remember how much it was, but if I could find it online, I will link it below. They had it in this color and white, and I was like, this is perfect for boho, the boho vibe. It gave me boho vibes, so I was like, this is perfect since I'm trying to go for a boho chic kind of look. I don't know where this pillow is from. Oh, the pink ones are from Hobby Lobby. This white one is from TJ Maxx. I honestly, this is either from TJ Maxx or Kohl's. I honestly cannot remember. My mom bought it and I can't remember. This was on my couch last year in my dorm. Make sure you go check that video out. That dorm was very glam. It was like a glam room. So if you're going for more of a glam room, you should definitely go check out that dorm tour. But this dorm tour is more of the boho chic kind of vibe. I was kind of going for more of a chill and also a pretty vibe. So anyways, so up here back in the cut, I have a T, an N sign, and an R. Basically, you know, mine and my boyfriend's initials. I got these letters from Hobby Lobby as well. They're actually discontinuing these letters or whatever, so I think they still have like the white ones, but as far as like the colored ones, I think they discontinued them. But you can try and go in there and look. If I see it, if I'm gonna go on there and see if they still have them available, but I think they discontinued them because I got these on clearance for about $1. Okay, so my chair here, this blanket I had to put on display because my boyfriend got it for my birthday, and it has like pictures of us on it. It doesn't really go with my room, but you know, I love it, so it's gonna stay. So usually I just have this blanket here on it. This is the same exact way as I had it last year, except for this pillow. This chair is from Kohl's. They had one at Bed Bath & Beyond as well, but it was more expensive. You may can find it at Kohl's still. I don't know, probably when the dorm stuff come back out. This pillow, I'm not sure where I got it from. It was my sister's. Now going up under the bed. So I have my water, my refrigerator. Y'all seen this in my last dorm. I actually kept my laundry bag and like snacks on the top of this part right here. Well, yeah, this is full of hair stuff and like valuables and stuff like that, and up here is full of like some snacks and stuff like that. Now I keep my laundry bags right here actually, but I just I put it up because, you know, that wouldn't be pretty. So here are two like bins from Walmart. I'm pretty sure everybody have seen these before. I just keep my down here bundles, chips. Like here I just have like extra cups and bowls and stuff like that, and also a can of soup that probably didn't fit elsewhere. Like grab and go snacks here. I love goldfish, it's my favorite snack. Here is just like medicines and just extra stuff that I have like 2 of or whatever. As you can see, the tapestry is very long. Here I just keep my fan. This is a very I don't know, like it just gives me boho vibes. I don't know, like it's a very, not old timey, but it looks, I don't know how to explain it, a modern type of fan. I don't know, but it's pretty and I had to get it. So yeah, I just keep it down here in the cut. It's gotten cold now, so obviously I'm not using it as much. Here, I just keep my ladder, of course, because I'm short and my bed is on risers. You can get a ladder from anywhere. I think I got it from Walmart. Last but not least is my closet. This is basically the same exact closet, except for last year I had 4 drawers here and I didn't have this space here. This space is coming in handy. It's full of stuff and my closet is not pretty, so I'm not gonna show you guys, but yeah. I keep my I got this thing from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's actually a mirror on the inside. So it has a mirror on the inside, and on the outside I have the whiteboard. And you know, you could put it the other way as well. But yeah, so that's it.